Do you want to earn money by just creating children's storybooks in just 3 simple steps by using 3 free AI tools? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create free storybooks in just 10 minutes and earn passive income. First of all, go to ChatGPT and ask GPT to write a short children's storybook for you that contains chapters. So, let's just ask ChatGPT to write us a story. Here ChatGPT is writing a story for us that contains some chapters. It's a little bit long for our tutorial video. Let's try it 200 words. Just write the prompt, write it in 200 words. So here is our short story ready in just a minute. How easy it was. You can also generate free story using ChatGPT now, and then simply go to LeonardoAI for generating images. I have already given a tutorial for LeonardoAI that how you can generate images from here. So, after going there, you just have to select your image dimension and number of images. After that, you just have to write a prompt there so it can generate the image. I have just simply pasted the topic of my story. So now just click on generate and it will generate images for you. Now you can just see my images are ready. I can just simply save whatever image I like. You can save the image you like for your story. So, I will download this image for myself. Now I will go back to ChatGPT and copy the chapter 1 for me so that I can generate its images. Now go back to Leonardo and paste the chapter 1 story and just write the prompt properly so that it can understand what kind of images you want. I think we need a more specific photo of a girl, so we need to change the prompt to get better result. After that, just click on the generate button so it can generate our required images. Here are the exact images we wanted, so just select whatever image you like and just simply download it. Now after that, again just go back to ChatGPT and copy your chapter 2 context and paste it in the LeonardoAI command. So here I will paste my context of chapter 2 and I will simply click on generate button so that my images can be generated. Here are my images. Now I will just simply save the kind of image I like. After saving the image, you would just have to go back to ChatGPT again and do this process again and again. Now all of my images are ready. Now go to Canva.com and create a storybook there. Simply choose a template of a storybook and upload your downloaded images here. I will upload all my images here, and then just simply select an image I downloaded for the cover of the book. Then we will go to ChatGPT and ask for a perfect title for this story. Here it is. Now copy the title and go to Canva.com again and paste the title. We will avoid the word enchanted. Now it's looking perfect. After that, click on Add Page and simply select your first image. Now after that, go back to ChatGPT and copy the first chapter's first context. Now go back to Canva and paste it over your image. In the same way, you have to repeat all the steps. You have to add all of your images and all of your context, and you have to prepare your storybook in this way. I will repeat the same procedure here. You can just simply copy the page also and just edit it in the next slide. So, in this way I will complete my storybook. You can see it looks so beautiful. After completing my storybook, I will just simply click on the share button and download my storybook in PDF form. Let's just check how it looks like. It's just a sample storybook that I have created for you. Guys, you can see it looks so good. You will make it more. It looks really good. You can create such storybooks in your own way and make passive income by selling the storybooks. Now I will tell you where you can sell these storybooks. For selling your books, just simply go to Amazon Kindle Diet Publishing and create an account over there. Then just simply upload your storybook and create a title and description for your book. Then upload your book covered files over there and set a price for your book and just simply publish and sell your book. Here you can earn a lot of money from this. If you think this video is helpful to you, then like the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching.